In this video, I will show you how to easily create a free professional CV using AI with Base44. Let's get started. First, I type my detailed prompt into the search bar, requesting an interactive single-page professional resume layout that features a two-column design with a sidebar for skills and a clean main timeline section for my work experience, all within a dark, elegant theme. As I submit my request, the platform begins building my idea, automatically generating all the necessary design tokens, code components, and page elements in parallel. I watch as the AI systematically constructs the header, the skill chips, the cognitive matrix, and the specific experience timeline to ensure everything fits the professional aesthetic I envisioned. The result is a highly polished, interactive resume website that presents my professional background in a modern, engaging way. To make it accessible to recruiters, I click the Publish button, set the visibility to public, and confirm the action to take my site live. I then simply copy the link provided to easily share my new AI-generated CV with anyone. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.